everyone! 皆さんこんにちは。お元気ですか? I hope you're all doing great. So today, from this video and onwards, we're going to focus on JLPT and 4 vocabularies using kanjis. So all the vocabularies, around 300 vocabularies that you're gonna see in this video and onwards, you need to know to pass JLPT N4, including all the kanjis. But you don't need to write. Please this time focusing on reading the vocabularies using the kanjis. So whenever you see those kanjis, you know how to read and meanings. Because I hear a lot of students actually have been telling me that it's so hard to memorize how to write, right? Following stroke orders and everything. And I agree, I totally agree. And I know for the fact that you have set these certain goals and you have limited time to pass JLPT N4 or to achieve these goals that you've set. So I don't want to waste our time. I want efficiency. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna memorize all the vocabularies you need to pass JLPT N4 using kanji. So you can learn vocabulary and kanji at the same time. And you don't need to think about, this kanji has lots of sounds. One kanji, sometimes it has more than 5 pronunciations. Then how you sound this kanji. But no need to worry because we're going to focus on, again, vocabularies. And that vocabulary has specific pronunciation and sounds. So no need to memorize all the different pronunciations. Okay, don't worry, relax. And before we go to that kanji and vocabulary part, I would like to introduce my social media. If you have any questions, please follow my Instagram because I always post a story on Friday so that you can drop any questions that you have in the little box that I create. So please follow my Instagram too. And if this is your first visit to my channel, welcome! Yokoso! Thank you very much for watching this video. In my channel, I talk about Japanese culture, JLPT tactics, kanji tips, how to speak naturally, all the vocabularies and grammars. So if you're interested in, please hit the subscribe button and let's enjoy Japanese studying together. Alright, let's check the vocabulary. And today, we're going to look at adjectives. Adjectives and non-adjectives that you need to know before you take JLPT N4. In kanjis. Okay, in kanjis. Alright, number 1. Aoi. Aoi. Blue. Akai. Akai. Red. Akarui. Akarui. Bright. Atatakai. Atatakai. Warm. 頭がいい。頭がいい。smart。熱い。熱い。hot。重い。重い。heavy。軽い。軽い。light。暗い。暗い。dark。黒い。黒い。black。細かい。細かい。fine or small。寒い。寒い。cold 白い白い white 涼しい涼しい cool 正しい正しい correct 楽しい楽しい fun 近い近い near 都合がいい都合がいい convenient 強い強い strong 低い低い low 広い広い wide, spacious 太い太い thick 細い細い thin 良い良い good 弱い弱い weak 悪い悪い bad not adjective 元気な元気な healthy, cheerful 親切な親切な kind 好きな好きな favorite 大事な大事な important 大切な大切な precious 大変な大変な tough situations 大変な特別な特別な special 不便な inconvenient 変な weird 有名な famous. So today we looked at all the adjectives, e-adjectives, and adjectives that you need to know using kanjis. So please remember, study consistently. So please, if you are not confident enough, please review as much as you want until you remember and you have confidence. Okay? Thank you very much for your hard work. I really appreciate. And if you like this video, I would be really happy if you give me thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!